Okay, this video is specifically for the personal wellness and development students. I know that we went over the projects before we went on spring break, but some of you might have forgotten or you're still kind of unsure what you're supposed to do. Because your project's a little bit different, yours is set up that you're doing two projects that are going to take 11 hours and 15 minutes. On the sheet that I gave you, that I provided, you can get it on the school website, so you can go to Crestline Exempted Village Schools. My information is in the CTE folder of assignments. So you can get that offline, or you can call the school and have a hard copy printed. But essentially, you're going to pick two projects. The first project is called A Better You. And for A Better You, you can do just about anything that you can think of to make you a better person. So because you have 3 weeks off, you could spend time learning how to do a specific skill or practicing a skill that you already have. So examples of that might be, I want to practice my pitching, or I want to practice my free throw shots. I want to get better at playing the piano. I want to practice doing some other things that I definitely love to do, but I never get a chance to do it. So this is your opportunity to do something that you choose to do. The only caveat is that you have to document what you're doing. So for example, if you are trying to get better at baking and you are looking up recipes, you are getting like a grocery list together, making sure that you have all the ingredients, making sure that you have everything to go, then you're going to actually make this product, whatever it is, and you're going to hopefully clean up after it. Those are all things that you could do as a part of A Better You. It could be something like cleaning your room. You can't tell me that you don't have enough time. You have plenty of time to clean your room or to just redo your room. Maybe you just want to rearrange it and make it look different. Maybe it's not exactly your bedroom. That's the crazy part. Maybe it's your closet and you want to spend some time, taking everything out of it, cleaning it, getting rid of things that you don't really need anymore, and then organizing what's left. So it could be any of those things. I've also shared the document that you have to fill in. If you're having any problems with downloading the document or filling it in, or you're not really sure, then that's when you're going to message me. Now, I don't have too many people. I think I only have one junior high student that joined the Remind app. So it's going to be really hard for you to communicate with me. Maybe you're going to send me something through an email. That's fine. I can do that. My problem is that you can send me an email from your Crestline Bulldogs account, and I'm not allowed to answer you because I have a Pioneer account and I'm considered an outside person. So I'll have to get creative about how I'm going to get that information back to you or how I'm going to respond. I think my initial response is probably just going to be, I'm going to open up a Google Doc and with my Crestline Bulldogs account and then answer you in a document. I don't know. I know that sounds really weird, but I don't know how else to get that approved or how I can do that. So working on your Better You project should have taken you time last week. Maybe you're wrapping it up this week. Remember that you have to have documentation. You have to have evidence. So are you going to take pictures? Are you going to keep a log or a journal of what you're doing every day or however long it takes you? Maybe you're going to take some pictures and you're going to send some pictures to me at my email or on a Google Doc. You can share it with me. If you have any questions, you're going to make sure that you contact me. Now, I know that you have two projects and there's 3 weeks, but I really think that 2 projects is going to take you the entire time if you follow the guidelines that I gave you on the sheet. So again, I'm going to provide that information again so that you can find it, so that you know where it's at. But if you need a hard copy, then you have to call the school or get it from the school. But you can let me know. All right. So I think that you're going to spend some time finishing up the first project, and then maybe on later on this week, you're going to start your second project. They do not have to be equal length. So you have about 11 hours and 15 minutes to spend. That's 3 weeks worth of class time. So you have that much time. Those two projects do not have to be equal. Maybe you're going to spend 6 hours on one and you're going to spend 5 hours and 15 minutes on another. Maybe you're going to spend less than that. You know, I don't really care how it equals out. You just have to spend enough time that it equals the 11 hours and 15 minutes. So I hope that's clarifying. I hope that if you have any questions, you're going to contact me because I have the answers. Okay? Have a super great day, and I'll see you real soon.